Joanne left the 9 to 5 behind in 2009 to build a thriving virtual assistant business, and by 2014 she launched the VA Handbook. Joanne Munro, welcome to Pitch Me.
So EAs and PAs actually make great virtual assistants because they are highly organised, they're used to multitasking, they're great at dealing with challenges and anticipating needs. They're also completely unfazable and can charge more for their executive level skills. Many VAs with an EA background market themselves as freelance EAs actually, rather than virtual assistants. And this differentiator helps them stand out and makes it easier for clients to understand what it is that they do. And basically, you just literally do exactly the same job as you're doing now, except you get to choose your clients, enforce your own boundaries, work from wherever you like. If this is something you'd like to do, but you don't know where to start, I have a course that will help you. It's called the DIY VA course. You complete it alongside your current job, and it shows you the exact steps to do to take in exactly the right order to set up and get clients. It's delivered via a combination of videos and written lessons, and you are also given homework. The trainee only support group is called the Rockstars, and it's also there for nuanced personal questions. And vitally, it's there to help you think like business owner rather than employee, because you've been conditioned to have an employee mindset since you started work. And I think that's one of the hardest things to master when you start running your own business. I'm in a group to help you, and I even will jump on a call with trainees if I see them needing personal advice or clarity. You can get 8% off.
So that's 8% off, which is a really nice saving. So thank you very much for doing that.